Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at how to integrate Cloudinary to help us for image upload in our project. Now, Cloudinary is a cloud-based service that provides an end-to-end image and video management solution. So we're going to be integrating Cloudinary to our Node application in order to make seamless our use of images. Now, for us to use this, you have to sign up for free. Just go to Cloudinary.com, then you will see where they wrote sign up for free. You click on this sign up for free, then you'll be asked to create an account. I already have an account, so I will not be asked to do that. I will just be logged in. So this is my dashboard, but you'll be asked to create an account, put your email, put a good password, and go on. They will ask you some few questions like what are you going to be using this for. You can pick that you're a developer. Once you're fully done creating your account, make sure you go to your email and verify. Then you'll be led into this is your dashboard. So in your dashboard, as you are filling, you actually put a cloud name. They are going to suggest a cloud name for you, or you can change it to what you want. So my cloud name is Sustaino. This is my API key, and this is my API secret. So you can click on review API secret in order for you to see the API secret. So you copy these three things. Those are the things you're going to be using. So this is a basic simple code that can help us to integrate Cloudinary into our work. So you can put this in your server.js, which is not advisable. In big projects, you have to have a Cloudinary .js file that will have this. So what you do basically is to, for the example that we are doing now, we're going to make sure that we enable file upload using temp file by importing our express file upload. Then this is how we enabled it. Then we are going to bring in Cloudinary by saying Cloudinary equals to require Cloudinary.v2. Then we're going to configure it. And configuring it simply means bringing in your cloud name so that they know Cloudinary will know where it is looking at. So this is my cloud name, this is my API key and secret. Then this is the basic code I'm trying to post, make an upload to my Cloudinary. So it's gonna just like normal endpoint route / upload. So it's gonna have this function that has rake and rest object. This is actually a middleware. So the file is going to be saved at rake.files.photo. Then I'm using the uploader function of Cloudinary to get this into a temporary file, and if it works, to say success. So to bring this in, I'm gonna just copy this whole of this code and bring it into my server.js, but you can actually bring it in a separate file, but just to experiment, that's why I'm bringing it here. But before I continue, I'm going to npm install Cloudinary. And how do you do that? So simply say your npm install Cloudinary. Hope I got the spelling. So that's the first thing you do. So once you finish installing your Cloudinary, you can copy the code I just showed you, put it here. You can copy the import first and put here, the declaration, put them down here. Then after this first code that we wrote for connection to database here, you now put the body. This is what I mean by the body, from this side, from here. So from here to here, put it here. Whereas this upside, from here to here, you can put it up here. So that's what you do. So once you do that, then you can go to Postman and actually try these endpoints. Try this very endpoint / upload, and you tell me what the result is. So I would like you to do that by yourself. It's an assignment to you. Do it while I wait for my Cloudinary to finish uploading. Then I'll check it out. But I want you to do it and tell me what it is like. So that is how to bring in Cloudinary. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you.